One of the tools in the creditor's tool chest for collecting on a debt is what is called a garnishment. If you have defaulted on a loan or a credit card, the creditor can go to court and obtain a judgment against you for the debt that you owe to them. Once they've obtained a judgment in Virginia, after 10 calendar days, they can file for what is called a garnishment. The garnishment is an involuntary collection method. They can issue the garnishment to either your employer and/or your bank. They can garnish both your employer and your bank at the same time. If the garnishment is sent to your employer, the employer is required to withhold 25% of your take-home pay during the garnishment period, and then at the end of the garnishment period, to send all of the money that has been withheld to the state court to be turned over to the creditor on the hearing date. If the garnishment is sent to your bank, all money in your bank account and any money that comes into your bank account during the garnishment period is required to be frozen up to the amount of the garnishment. And then at the end of the garnishment period, that money is sent to the state court, again to be turned over to the creditor on the hearing date. When you file a bankruptcy, whether it is a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the creditor must stop all collection activity, and this includes releasing any garnishment that is in place. In addition, if a bankruptcy is filed prior to the hearing date on the garnishment, normally we can get back any money that has been withheld for you. If you have a creditor that is seeking to collect against you through a garnishment, or if you have a creditor that has filed a court action called a warrant in debt to obtain a judgment, you need to get moving on it right away. If they garnish your wages, they'll take 25% of your take-home pay. If they garnish your bank account, they will take 100% of the money in the bank. Filing bankruptcy will stop that process and get you back that money that you need to live on. Give us a call today at 340-3100 and we'll schedule you an appointment to meet with me to discuss how a bankruptcy can help you prevent a creditor from getting a garnishment against you.